Today, I'll show you how to use Grammarly for academic writing. Grammarly is a powerful tool that can enhance the quality of your writing by checking for grammatical mistakes, offering stylistic suggestions, and even helping you ensure your work is original. In this guide, we'll focus on how to utilize Grammarly's features specifically for academic purposes, ensuring your paper is polished and professional. Let's start by discussing how to run Grammarly's plagiarism and citation triggers. As you know, accidental plagiarism can seriously impact your academic career, so it's crucial to verify your source attribution before submitting your work. To begin, look at the bottom of the right-hand utility sidebar in Grammarly and click the plagiarism button, which is represented by a quotation mark icon. This feature will cross-reference your text against more than 16 billion web pages and the ProQuest academic database of journals and articles. Once Grammarly has scanned your document, review any highlighted text strings. If a phrase matches an existing source, click on the card that appears to see the original URL or database entry. This will help you understand where your text may need proper attribution. To make this process seamless, you can select your required style guide formatting, whether it's APA, MLA, or the Chicago Manual of Style, directly inside the suggestion box. Simply click Insert Citation to generate your source marker automatically. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across your references. Now, let's move on to using the AI Research Assistant to refine your claims. If you find a paragraph in your document that seems structurally weak or repetitive, Grammarly's built-in generative AI features, known as Superhuman Go, can come to your rescue. This tool allows you to polish your arguments without losing the core data, maintaining the integrity of your original research. To use this feature, start by highlighting a specific block of text or a paragraph that you feel needs improvement. Then, click on the utility panel where you'll see options for AI chat, or simply click on the Ask AI button located at the bottom. Here's a tip. Avoid using generic prompts like "make this better." Instead, be specific and use precise academic directives. For example, you might type, "Rewrite this passage to match the tone of a peer-reviewed journal article using an objective voice," or "synthesize this paragraph to make the transition between the evidence and the conclusion more logical." Once you receive the AI-generated output, evaluate it side by side with your draft. Consider how the changes enhance the clarity, coherence, and academic tone of your writing. This comparison will help you determine if the AI suggestions align with your intended message and style. By following these steps, you can leverage Grammarly's advanced features to elevate the quality of your academic writing. From ensuring your work is free of plagiarism to refining your arguments with the help of AI, Grammarly offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to the needs of students and researchers alike. Remember, the key to successful academic writing is not just about avoiding errors, but also about presenting your ideas clearly and convincingly. That wraps up our guide on using Grammarly for academic writing. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they empower you to write with confidence. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any feature, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy writing.